town, New Zealand. Travel writers say if you do nothing else in New Zealand, you must ride this, the Shotover jet. People come from all over the world to the Shingle River Beach to enjoy jet boating at its best. Maybe you came by courtesy coach, or perhaps you drove yourself. But everyone who's made the effort to get there agree it's been well worthwhile. The Shotover jet boats are big and mean. Specially designed hulls and engines are just part of an operation which is slick and professional. And that's important when you're being hurled through narrow rocky gorges at over 60 kilometres an hour. A short pep talk, a bit of expectancy, and you're off on the ride of your life.
How is everybody? Okay, we're going to be on the river for around about half an hour, which time we'll stop a couple of times down there, so if you do want to ask any questions, my name's Phil, just fire ahead. Main thing to remember, keep your elbows inside the boat. Further down, when I yell out hold on, I'll go like this. Just grab a good tight hold of the seats in front. In the front seat, the main thing is keep your feet on the foot plate, grab the bar in front of you. Okay, let's go.
It may seem dangerous, but the whole exciting experience is planned in great detail and has been operating safely since 1970.
Here, grab that. Okay, that's what we call the Hamilton turn. Now, that's actually named after Bill Hamilton. Now, he was a New Zealander that invented the jet boat back in 1953. Now, he invented them to run through shallow water. The minimum depth we need is 4 inches once the boat is up and planing. If you haven't seen that, I guarantee you'll see it further down the river. Okay, the good news is that's not the last of those turns. Just remember to hold on, take on.
So let's sit back and enjoy the adrenaline, power and precision that'll leave you all breathless. Shotover River is now the world's richest gold-bearing river. Signs of this clearly evident by the relics of the early mining era.
Okay, if you have a look over here, you can see the exit to a man-made diversion tunnel. Now that tunnel was put there by a gold miner, a guy called Ned Oxenbridge, back in 1906. Now what he wanted to do was divert all the water through the side of the hill so he could come back through the dry creek bed he created on the right-hand side here and take the gold out. Now that took him 3.5 years to dig the tunnel through at a cost of about £10,000 sterling at the time. Now unfortunately, what he failed to find out was that 30 years beforehand, miners had already been down through this area and they'd managed to clean out most of the gold that was here.
For thrill, speed and sheer spectacle, the Shotover jet cannot be beaten. Queenstown's Shotover jet, certainly the most fun you'll ever have with your clothes on.